Today, Raf will quickly show you how to prepare sugar syrup for homemade wine. Why buy the wine from shop if you can easily make it yourself at home?
There's nothing better than your own wine, made of fresh, organic and healthy fruit.
Assuming you've decided to make your own wine from your favorite fruit, you've done your research, bought all the winemaking equipment you needed, but you're not sure how to make sugar syrup. Making sugar syrup is very easy. But before that, you need to know a couple of things. Just remember that 1 kilogram of sugar dissolved in 1 liter of water will give you 1.6 liters of sugar syrup. Alright, let's do it. First, you need to bring water to boiling temperature. Now, dissolve required quantity of sugar in boiled water. Your sugar syrup is ready. Wasn't it easy? Make sure you cool it down to about 25 to 30 degrees Celsius before adding it to the fruit. Click on the link in description of this video to find out more on how to calculate amount of sugar required for your homemade wine. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Raf's channel for more cool videos or leave your comment below if you have any questions.